In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a video behind the text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and take a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. Add a text box of our own. Type your text. It's better if you keep the text in capital letters. Change the text font to a bolder font. In my case, I will take the Arial black font. Increase the font size and make it bold. Place the text in the middle. Select a rectangle shape and place it over the whole slide. Change the shape fill to white. Change the shape outline to no outline. Right-click on the shape and send it to the back. Now select the whole page with the text. In the menu bar, click on Merge Shapes. In the drop-down, click on Subtract. Although the text is not visible now, it is there. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Videos, then This Device. Select your video and click on Insert. Resize the video while holding down Ctrl and Shift on the keyboard. In the menu bar, click on Send to Back. In the title bar, click on Animations. In the menu bar, click on Animation Pane. Right-click on the second animation and select Start with Previous. Select the white shape. In the title bar, click on Shape Format. In the menu bar, click on Shape Fill. In the drop-down, click on Gradient. In this menu, click on More Gradients. In the right side menu, select Gradient Fill. Delete the middle two gradient stops. Select the right side stop. Change its color to a little grayish. Change the type to radial. Change the direction to center. Now, if I open the slideshow, you can see that we have created an amazing motion video text animation.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.